The VentureCruise is one of our large models. Really comfortable, especially if you're a bigger build. Takes riders of up to 180 kilos, gives you up to 30 kilometers, and it's got both types of brakes, electromagnetic and mechanical. And that means you get really precise control. I'll take you through it in more detail. Now, let's talk performance. What this scooter can actually do out in the real world. With up to 30 kilometers of range on a single charge, well, that's proper freedom to get out and about. No matter what your direction, hills won't be a problem. The electromagnetic brakes automatically control your downhill speed. And this dial here lets you set your speed up to 12 kilometers an hour, so it can move along faster than most models. And the tight turning circle, perfect for getting around smaller spaces. It's got 10-inch air-filled tyres for a cushioned ride. And the front and rear suspension soak up the bumps to keep things nice and steady. You've also got great ground clearance, so you won't get caught on curbs or uneven ground. Let's talk about setup as well as comfort, because honestly, that's what makes all the difference when you're out and about. There's hardly any setup. Just attach the seat and the rear view mirrors. It only takes a few minutes and you're good to go. It's got a comfy seat. The headrest slides up and down. The padded armrests adjust inward and outward to get that perfect fit. With heaps of legroom, it's super easy to hop on and off. The seat spins right round to help you out. And it also slides forward and back, so you can get into just the right position. And the handlebars, they adjust to get completely comfortable. Let's talk about operating it. It's all about safety, control, and simplicity. The backlit LCD screen gives you everything at a glance. Speed, battery level, odometer, duration clock, and even the ambient temperature. Lights front and back. Bright and clear indicators, as well as a horn. And to get going, just turn that key. Pull the lever and you're away. Let's talk about all the practical stuff, those little things that make everyday use super easy. There's a universal hitch at the back, so you can attach a bag or a sunshade or perhaps an accessory holder for your cane or your umbrella. The front bumper keeps it looking good if you bump into anything. You've got plenty of storage with a big basket up front, handy spot right in front of you, and a reading material pocket behind the seat. There's even a USB port to keep your phone charged on the go. It's got a freewheel lever so that it can be manually pushed to be stored in a garage, for example. Equipmed mobility solutions aren't just about getting you from A to B. We're about helping you get your independence back. Now, if this looks like the right model for you, you can order it today and have it shipped to the location of your choice within just a few days.